Once upon a time, there was a man named John, who struggled with staying active and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. He worked long hours at a desk job, often skipped meals, and spent most of his free time watching TV or playing video games. One day, John had a wake-up call when his doctor told him that he had high blood pressure and was at risk for developing diabetes. He knew that he needed to make some changes in his life if he wanted to avoid serious health problems. At first, John tried to start exercising by going to the gym a few times a week, but he found it difficult to stay motivated. He would often skip workouts or give up after a few weeks. Then, John decided to try a different approach. He started small by setting a goal to walk for 20 minutes every day. He made it a priority to fit this into his daily routine, even if it meant waking up earlier or taking a walk during his lunch break. At first, it was tough to stick to this routine, but John noticed that he felt better after each walk. He started to enjoy the fresh air and the feeling of his heart pumping faster. Over time, he gradually increased the length and intensity of his walks, eventually adding in strength training and other forms of exercise. In addition to his exercise routine, John started to make healthier food choices and cut back on unhealthy habits like smoking and excessive drinking. He found that each positive change he made gave him more energy and motivation to keep going. Before he knew it, John had developed a strong sense of self-discipline. He was able to resist temptations and make healthy choices even when it wasn't easy. He even started to inspire his friends and family to make positive changes in their own lives. Although John still faced challenges and setbacks along the way, he never gave up. He knew that taking care of his health was worth the effort, and he was proud of the progress he had made.